Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics. We are in the chapter of applications of derivatives. Okay, we are all doing the questions. We are doing all questions from 2024 series. Okay, let us see these questions. Let f of x is equal to 4 cos cube x plus 3 root 3 cos square x minus 10. The number of points of local maxima of f in interval 0 to 2 pi. That means within this limit, if you calculate, that is going to be called as local maxima, local minimum, local maxima we are finding. But this interval only you have to take. See, observe carefully, 0 and 2 pi you should not take. This is open interval. Okay. And how many number of points, maximum points are there? Like that. Okay. Standard procedure is what? Standard procedure. Differentiate first, equate it to 0, critical points you take, again you differentiate second derivative. In that second derivative, these critical points you put, if second derivative at that point is less than 0, negative, then maximum, we are talking about maxima, that is less than 0, but this is standard procedure. But we are not going to follow that procedure. See what I am following. Okay, see. Why? Because that procedure, usual procedure is little bit cumbersome. Okay, once again I will write f of x that is equal to 4 cos cube x plus 3 root 3 cos square x minus 10. Okay, now I am differentiating. First derivative I am doing, but second derivative I am not doing. 3 into 4, 12. Cos square x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x. Okay, minus I have kept. Plus I am not writing, or else I will write plus, afterwards I will remove it. Why? Because for me it is possible. Why? Because with hand or duster I can do, but you cannot do with pen. 3 into 2, 6. 6 root 3 cos x. Okay, d by dx of cos x minus sin x. Minus sin x. Again 10 is 0. This is first derivative. First derivative little bit segregation I am doing properly. Once again I will write f dash x is equal to see, minus I will take, 6 I will take, cos sin I will take, cos x sin x. Then what is left here? 2 cos x left, plus here root 3 left. But because see, both should become negative, that is why minus, if you take common inside bracket or parenthesis, both should become positive. Okay, see, this is there. Usual practice, see, you first to find critical points, there is no problem. Finding critical points is no problem. Okay, see, for critical point I am making f dash x is equal to 0 implies. What are the critical points? I am writing here critical points. See, here cos x is also becomes 0, entire becomes 0, sin x becomes 0, also becomes 0. That is the thing. See, where cos x is 0, angles I am not writing. Why? Because you know very well angles. Say sin and cos, theta, I am writing. See, these two are positive, these two are positive, these two negative, these two negative. Okay, I am writing values. Okay, sin 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Cos 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, this is 0. Okay, minus 1, and this is 0. And now come back. Yeah, we are writing values where 0. Cos where 0? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Okay. Where sin 0? 0 and pi. But 0 can you take? No, you cannot take. Can I take pi? Yes, you take pi. Again 2 pi, don't take. Why? Because 0 and 2 pi you should not take. In between only pi is there. Okay, now this is the case. Now come back here. What is here cos x? Cos x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Okay? 2 cos x plus root 3 is equal to 0 means cos x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. See, cos x where root 3 by 2 comes? 30 degree. Okay? 30 degree But negative should come. See here, both are negative. That means, see, shall I say pi minus pi by 6 and pi plus pi by 6? Pi minus pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6. Okay? Here pi will come. That is why. Okay, what is this value? 5 pi by 6? 6 pi by 6. Sorry. 7 pi by 6. Okay, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Okay? See, now these 5 are critical points. Okay, these 5 are critical points. See, our procedure, standard procedure is again you do double derivation, second order derivation, and submit these critical points, and where maximum comes, that values you have to write, number of. That is standard procedure. But here what we are going to do, if you do second derivative, this is going to become cumbersome. Okay. Now, one technique I am giving, what I do, I will submit each value in f dash x only. F dash x only. Let me see whether positive or negative. Okay, if f dash x is greater than 0. Okay, if f dash x is greater than 0, positive, less than 0, sorry, f dash x is greater than 0, increasing, f dash x is less than 0, decreasing. Increasing, decreasing, we will see and we will write. Okay. See, all we need not see, only one if you see you are able to do the question. See what I want to say here, logic you observe. Why? Because we have chosen this process because this is very easy process. See, this is 0, after 0, pi by 2. After pi by 2, 5 pi by 6. After 5 pi by 6, pi. After pi, 7 pi by 6. After 7 pi by 6, 3 pi by 2. After 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. These are the intervals. But these two, 0 and 2 pi, we are not taking. In between only we are taking. See, only one thing I will see. In between 0 and pi by 2, what is there? F dash pi by 4 shall I take? Okay, pi by 4. See what will happen and all. F dash pi by 4 means minus 6 into cos pi by 4 means root 2, sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2, 2 again 1 by root 2 plus root 3. That is equal to, see, minus 6 by 2 into root 2 plus root 3. That is equal to minus 3 into root 2 plus root 3. Shall I say this is less than 0? Why? Because these two are greater than 0 multiplied by less than 0, minus 3. Automatically this is going to become less than 0. That means, see, in this area this is less than 0. Less than 0 means what we can say? It is decreasing function. Decreasing function means shall I write like this? Up to pi by 2 from 0. Okay? What are the critical points? Critical point means you have to change the direction. Then change the direction. Up to 5 pi by 6. Then change the direction. Then change the direction. Then change the direction. Then change the direction. Okay? See here what we have to understand. See 0 to pi by 2, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay? Again negative. But see, we bother greater than 0, less than 2 pi only. Okay? See, after 0 and less than, how many points are there? Top 2 points are there. Where 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. That means, see, number of points they are asking, number of points are 2. Which are those points? 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. What is the value? If you submit this, then you are going to get the value. But you have to submit for value in f of x. If they ask value, maximum value, they are not asking maximum value. Maximum value means 5 pi by 6 you submit, 7 pi by 6 you submit. In this, whatever the value comes, that value is maximum value. But here we are not finding maximum value. Maximum values are where? Those are also we are not finding. Why? Because maximum value at 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. Those are also we are not finding. How many number of maximum points are there? 2 points. 7 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. That is the answer. Okay. Let us go for next question.